Alright guys, my mom just had knee surgery, so we're gonna give her the mini blizzard treatment by cleaning her kitchen. Hands in! Mini blizzard treatment on 3. 1, 2, 3. Mini blizzard treatment! We're here!
Hello, I'm in here.
Hey Mom!
Hi, son.
Me and my posse are gonna give you the mini blizzard treatment and clean your kitchen.
Posse?
Let's go, guys! Hold on. Richie C, I want you to drop a beat. Lisa, it's time for a dance break.
Turn the music round, you're up, you're down, you're soft, you're loud.
Dance break's over. Alright! Great job, guys! We finished cleaning the kitchen! Woo! Let's go tell my mom! Okay, Mom, you just received the mini blizzard treatment. And now you get the mini blizzard treat. How is it, guys?
You're a weird kid, Phil, but I love these mini blizzard treats.
I love you too, Mom.